start by creating our first Tiny workflow. Let's name this and create a new workflow. By default, your canvas already has a trigger node. Click on it to set it up. Here, you can choose your trigger type. For now, I'll select a manual trigger so we can quickly test the workflow. Once selected, we can click on Run to execute the workflow. Next, let's add an action node. I'll add a send email node, which is a quick way to test how this workflow works. Now, let me configure this node. I'll add a dummy subject and a sample body for the email. You can also reference dynamic values from the previous node outputs. Once that's done, I'll close this and save the workflow. Now, let's click on Run. You'll notice that the data flows from left to right, and each node highlights as it gets executed. Once the execution is complete, you can check the execution logs. You can also hover over each node to view the inputs and outputs, so you can clearly understand how data is passing through every step. And honestly, all it takes is a tiny command.